Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding your Mlbb user ID and verifying which platform is linked. You need that to prove ownership. Next, back up purchases and take screenshots of account details so you can reference them later. Once done, open Mobile Legend settings and check the account panel for an unlink option. If unlink isn't available, prepare a support ticket with your user ID, linked email, transaction proofs, and a clear deletion request to speed the process. Now you submit the deletion request through in-game support or the Mountain Help Center. Choose the ticket category for privacy or account issues. In the message, include your user ID, device model, linked email, screenshots, and any receipts to demonstrate ownership. This reduces back and forth. Make it explicit that you want account removal, ask for a confirmation timeline, and keep copies of all replies. Then revoke permissions from Facebook/Google/Apple. When support replies, follow every verification step they give and provide any extra documents promptly. Delays often come from incomplete verification. Once they confirm deletion, allow the processing period they specify. Do not reinstall or log in, and then uninstall the app to ensure no residual data remains on your device. If you get no response or the issue persists, reopen the ticket with previous chat logs and screenshots, escalate politely, and request supervisor review as a troubleshooting step to force a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.